Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Turkish breakfast fourth part. Again, in this video you will see different types of Turkish breakfast. First, sausage with tomato sauce will be prepared. Sausages need to be finely chopped. These sausages are domestic production. There is chicken meat in it. There is no pork. Chopped sausages to be cooked in the oven. Tomatoes thinned with mixer. Tomatoes in large pots to be boiled. Need to add some water and boil for 30 minutes. Salt, red pepper, dry mint, black pepper, some ketchup, added a little water and boil for 30 minutes. Oil is added to the sausages and mixed completely and then added to the oven trays. "15 minutes sausages roast in the oven. It is possible to solidify the consistency of tomato sauce with starch. Add tomato sauce over fried sausages. Sausage with sauce is complete. Now the cheese pie will be made. Cheese pie will be made on the tray using yufka breads. You need to prepare a mixture to make pies on the tray. Eggs are added to the mixing bowl and mixed by whisking. Two liters of liquid sunflower oil, mineral water and yogurt mix. Salt, granulated sugar, after preparing the burrito mixture, place the dough in the tray and bake. I had previously shared videos on how to make dough breads. Is a type of traditional bread that is made to sell for commercial purposes or prepared for winter in homes. Dough content is very simple. Only sifted white wheat flour, water and salt are used. Unleavened. After kneading the dough, round balls are made and left for 30 minutes. Then open the dough with a thin long rolling pin. Dough is baked on a hot plate after opening in a wide thin manner. Dough breads are made with the help of one person prepares the dough, 3 people opens the dough, 1 person bakes the bread. There are 2 more employees in the background. This way of making traditional yufka bread. Now lubricate the baking trays. Liquid sunflower oil should be applied all over the tray. Note how the dough rolls are placed. After adding, 1 layer is added from the prepared liquid mixture. One times more fluffy and scattered whey dough is added to the bread. Adding white cheese. Chopped parsley being added. Red chili peppers and dried mint. One times more fluffy and scattered whey dough is added to the bread. Liquid mixture is added to each layer of pastry. Sauce is added to the top after closing the edges. Add sesame and black seed. To be baked in the oven for 40 minutes. Pastries will be crispy in this way. You can add water if you want to be soft. Pastries are ready for breakfast after slicing, served hot. You can always see cucumbers in Turkish breakfast. It would be convenient to serve together with cucumber fritters. Cucumbers are rounded. This time a different chopping method can be applied. This rose jam is a traditional and local sweet type for breakfast. Turkish breakfast always includes jams. Sausage with tomatoes. Rose jam. Black and green olives. Classic white cheese with low salt. Cheesy pastry. Cold drink grape compote. Turkish breakfast consumes local black tea as a hot drink. Compote as cold drink can be preferred. Many varieties of compote, for example, plum, cherry, peach, apple, apricot or grape compote. This grape compote was not sold ready. Boiled in the pot and cooled. Raisins, water, some sugar, lemon juice being made with cloves and cinnamon sticks. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.